Did anyone complete the problem? Did anyone get the value of x? Yes. Nobody got the value of x? Okay, fine. Listen carefully. Yeah. So let us check this problem once again. So we have x divided by x minus 2 plus x by 9, sorry, x minus 9 by x minus 7 is equal to x plus 1 by x minus 1 plus x minus 8 by x minus 6. Now we have used transpositioning here, which means we have just changed the sides of the expressions. So x divided by x minus 2 is kept as it is, and then we have got x plus 1 by x minus 1 to one side. Okay, Sindhu has got a quadratic equation. Okay, Sindhu. But actually this is part of linear equations. We will see how to solve at the end, or where you have got that answer. Fine. So let's just start with the problem once again and continue. So we have changed this x plus 1 by x minus 1 to the left hand side, and x minus 9 by x minus 7 to the left hand side. Okay, so x by x minus 2 minus x plus 1 by x minus 1 is here, and x by x minus 8 by x minus 6 minus x minus 9 by x minus 7. Now for taking LCM, we have to multiply the denominators. Now when you multiply the denominators, you have to cross multiply the numerators. So x minus 1 into x and x minus 2 into x plus 1. This is onto your left hand side, and onto your right hand side, x minus 8 into x minus 7, x minus 6 into x minus 9. Okay, in the denominator you'll have x minus 6 and x minus 7. Now in the next step, we multiplied all of these expressions and we got certain expression. So what is that? X square minus x minus x square plus x minus 2x minus 2 whole divided by x square minus 1x minus 2x plus 2. This is your left hand side. Onto your right hand side, x square minus 8x minus 7x plus 56 minus x square minus 9x minus 6x plus 54 whole divided by x square minus 7x minus 6x plus 42. So we have got these numbers totally. Now let us move further and simplify all of these expressions one after the other. Okay, so in the next step, I'll just change the color here for your convenience. Okay, if not, you will get confused. So first expression, x square minus x, I will remove the brackets. Next, minus 1 is what is remaining outside. Okay, so or what we can do is we will simplify and then remove the brackets. That will be better. So x square minus x minus x square, you have plus x minus 2x. What will be the answer? Plus x and minus 2x. You'll get minus x. Yes. 1 minus 2 is minus 1 minus 1x. So minus x minus 2 will remain as it is, whole divided by x square. Again you have minus 1x minus 2x. So minus 1 minus 2 will be minus 3. Okay, so minus 3x plus 2 is your left hand side. Onto your right hand side is equal to, this is your right hand side. So you will have x square, you have minus 8x minus 7x. How much do you get? 8 plus 7 is 15. Minus will remain as it is. So minus 15x plus 56 minus, I'm going to write the other expression here only. Okay. So x square, you have minus 9x minus 6x. That is nothing but 9 plus 6 is again 15. So minus 15x plus 54. This is your numerator. And when it comes to denominator, whole divided by x square minus 7x minus 6x, again you get 13x. So minus 13x plus 42. Did you all understand this step? Wherever I had 2x, I have simplified that and I have formed this step here. Any doubts in this step? Okay, shall we go to the next step then? Now in the next step, we will remove the brackets here. Now, how do we remove the brackets? Whatever is the multiplication, or if you have any subtraction, addition, whatever is there, we will do that. So first, for removal of brackets, any number that is present outside the bracket has to be multiplied. Okay. So the next step. First, x square minus x will remain as it is. We have removed the bracket. Now, after that, if you see here, you have minus x square minus x minus 2. Okay. If there is no number present outside, we can assume it to be 1. Correct? So, minus 1 into x square will give me minus x square. Minus 1 into minus x will give me plus x. Minus into minus is plus. Then minus 1 into minus 2 will give me 2 ones are 2. Minus into minus is plus. Okay. So what will be my expression? Minus x square. Okay. Minus x square plus x plus 2. That will be my numerator. And in the denominator, x square minus 3x plus 2 will remain as it is. Okay, so this is your left hand side of the expression. Now, coming to the right hand side of the expression, if you see here, x square minus 15x plus 56 will remain as it is. Then minus, again you have a bracket. So if there is no number, I can assume it to be 1. So minus 1 into x square is minus x square. Minus 1 into minus 15x. Minus into minus is plus. So I'll have plus 15x and I'll have minus 54. So that will be my numerator and the denominator will remain as it is. Okay. So what are we going to have here? We will have x square minus 15x plus 56 as it is, and for the second equation the signs will change. For the second equation, minus x square minus x square, and then we'll have plus 15x and then minus 54 whole divided by, what is the denominator? X square minus 13x plus 42. Okay, so this is the next step. Now, let us see where all we can cancel the squares. Okay, now if you see here, plus x square minus x square can be cancelled. Similarly, plus x minus x can be cancelled. Yes, this is on your left hand side. Plus x square minus x square I have cancelled. Plus x minus x I have cancelled. Okay. Now on to your right hand side. x square minus x square I can cancel. Similarly, what is the other number available? Plus 15x minus 15x I can cancel. Okay, you can just go on and simplify and simplify and simplify this equation. You will end up either with a quadratic or a cubic equation. Okay, but to make it easier and simpler, we are cancelling because we have plus and minus. If one is plus and other is minus, it will nullify the complete equation, right? So did you all understand this step now? Why did I cancel throughout? Yes, did you all understand this? Okay. Now here, after cancelling, what is remaining? 2 divided by x square minus 3x plus 2. This is what is remaining on your left hand side. On the right hand side, we have 56 minus 54 divided by x square minus 13x plus 42. Now if you see here, 56 minus 54 will give me 2 again. Okay, so 2 by x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 2 divided by x square minus 13x plus 42. Now when you get an expression like this, you just have to cross multiply and simplify the equation. Okay, now let us cross multiply the equation. Now in cross multiplying the equation, we will get 2 into this denominator. Okay, this denominator will go up here and this side denominator will go to the right hand side. Okay, so this denominator will go to the right hand side. Let us do it. So you have 2 into x square minus 13x plus 42 is equal to 2 into x square minus 3x plus 2. This is what we get. Now let us multiply. 2 into x square is 2x square. 2 into 13 is minus 26x. 2 into 42 is plus 84 is equal to, on the other side, 2 into x square is 2x square. 2 into 3x is minus 6x. 2 2s are 4. Okay. Now this is what is the equation. Both the equations on left hand side and right hand side that we have got. Now in the next step, what we will do is we are going to get the right hand side expression, that is 2x square minus 6x plus 4 to the left hand side. Okay, so what we will be doing here is 2x square minus okay, just wait a second. There's some connecting issues that's happening. Yeah, thank you for confirming. So 2x square, next minus 26x plus 84 will remain as it is, and I'm going to get the expressions from the right hand side. So minus 2x square plus 6x minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, now I again get another chance to cancel the variables. Now if you see in this, plus 2x square minus 2x square can be cancelled. Okay, now rest of them are not same, so we will simplify that. Fine. So in simplification, what is left out? Minus 26x plus 6x. How much do you get? Minus 26 and plus 6. Can you say, can it be 20 minus 20x? Okay. So I will get minus 20x, and then next we have plus 84 minus 4. So I will get plus 80. So plus 80 is equal to 0. Now in the next step, minus 20x is equal to minus 80. Okay, there's a little lag in the video. Just bear with that. I'll go slowly. Okay. Next step is minus 20x is equal to minus 80. Next, after this, x is equal to minus 80 divided by minus 20. Okay. So what do I get? Minus and minus will get cancelled. 21s are 24s are. Minus and minus will get cancelled. So 21s are 24s are. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 4. Okay. So this is the value of x which we can derive when you have a bigger expressions given like this. Okay. First you have to see the question, analyze the question, and then only you have to solve it. Clear? Did you all understand? Any doubts in this question? So shall we start this question? This is another equation in the form of fractions given. Okay. And we will try to solve this. Now here if you see, there is no similar expressions like the previous one. Okay. Every expression is different. 7x plus 5 divided by 5 minus x minus 11 by 14 is equal to 3 into x minus 25 divided by 7 plus 35. Okay, so this is what is given to us. Now let us solve this or simplify this step by step. Okay, so by simplifying the left hand side, we get, first we will take the left hand side. Okay, this is your left hand side. So what do we get by simplifying left hand side? Let me choose a different color here. So okay, now what do we get? 14. Okay, now how did I get 14? I am supposed to take LCM. I'm supposed to take LCM of 5 and 14. Now how do I take LCM of 5 and 14? Simply multiply 14 into 5. What do I get? I get 70 as the LCM. Now if the denominator is 70, which means 5 into 14, right? So if I multiply 14 here for 5, I will get 70. When I multiply something for the denominator, I should also multiply the same number for the numerator. Okay, so the numerator for this first expression 7x plus 5, I have multiplied that with 14. So what do I get here? I get 14 into 7x plus 5. Okay, so this will be my first expression. Now on the other side, for 14, if I multiply by 5, I get 70. So when I multiply some number for denominator, I should also multiply it for the numerator. So what do I get? Minus 15 into 11, sorry, x minus 11. 15 into x minus 11. So this is the first step of simplifying the LHS. On the RHS, we have 3 into x minus 25. Let us just multiply it. So 3 into x is 3x. 3 into minus 25 will give me minus 75 divided by 7 plus 35. Be careful, don't write this 35 up. It has to be in between. That's a separate expression or a separate constant that is given to us. Okay, are you all clear with the first step? Yes, did you all understand the first step? Okay, now in the next step, let us multiply this 14 into the expression and minus 15 into this expression given here. Okay, so in the next step, 14 into 7x plus 5. 14 into 7x will give me 98x. 14 into 5 will give me plus 70. This is the first expression. The second expression is minus 5 into x minus 11. So minus 5 into x is minus 5x. Minus 5 into minus 11 is plus 55. Whole divided by 70 is equal to 3x minus 75 by 7 plus 35. The RHS will remain as it is. I am not changing anything with the RHS yet. Okay, so this is our next step of simplification. Okay, now in the next step, let us simplify the expression here. So we have 98x plus 5x, sorry, minus 5x. 98x minus 5x. So how much do we get? We get 93x. So we get 93x. 98 minus 5 is 93. Then 70 plus 55. How much do you get? 70 plus 55 is plus 125 divided by 70 is equal to 3x minus 75 by 7 plus 35. Okay, everybody understood this? I have just simplified this first part, the numerator. Okay, now in this step, after this step, what we will do is this expression of 3x minus 75 by 7, I will take this to the left hand side. Okay, now this has plus value here. So when it comes to the other side, it is gonna become minus. So what will it happen? 93x plus 125 by 70 minus 3x minus 75 by 7 is equal to 35. Okay, I've got the whole expression of 3x minus 75 by 7 to the left hand side. Okay, now in the next step, you are supposed to find the LCM of 70 and 7. Okay, again, there are two types that there are two ways where you can find the LCM of 70 and 7. I told if it is multiple of each other, 7 into 10 is 70, correct? 70 can be divided by 7 for 10 times. Now in this case, in such cases, the bigger number, that is 70, can be considered as LCM. Or if you're getting confused, just find the LCM of 70 and 7. 7 tens are, 7 ones are, 10 ones are. 7 into 10 is equal to 70 is the LCM. Okay. So 70 will be the LCM for the expression. So whole divided by 70. Now when you have whole divided by 70, okay, when you have whole divided by 70, here the numerator is already 70. Okay, so you need not multiply it with any different number. For the sake of formality, you can multiply it with 1 because 70 ones are 70. Okay, so 70 into 1 I will multiply. Similarly, okay, I don't know what happened with these numbers here. Just a second. This is supposed to be 70, right? Yeah. So for the sake of formality, I am going to multiply the numerator also with 1. So this is 125. Okay. Now on to the other side, on to the right hand side. How do I get 70? I have to multiply 7 into 10 to get 70. Now if I multiply 10 to the denominator, I should also multiply 10 to the numerator. Okay, so in the next step, 93x plus 125 into 1, you will get the same expression, but minus 3x minus 75, you have to multiply it with 10, so you get minus 30x plus 750. Okay, so let us see in the next step what we are going to write. So we will have 93x plus 125 as it is. But the other expression minus 3x minus 75 will be multiplied with 10. So minus 3x into 10 will give you minus 30x, and then minus 75, minus of minus 75 is plus 75. So 75 into 10 will give you plus 750 is equal to 35. Did you all understand this step? This step is very crucial here for the simplification. Any doubts until here? Okay. Now in the next step, we can take this 70 to the other side. Okay. Now taking 70 to the other side, 93x plus 125 minus 30x plus 750 is equal to 35 into 70. Now let us do the simplification. 93x minus 30x. How much do you get? 93 minus 30 will be 63. 63x. So the first expression is going to be 63x. 3075 by 63. No, Sindhu. You are supposed to minus it. You have added the numbers. So that's why you've got 3075. Minus them. Okay. Then plus 125 plus 750. 5, 7, 8. 875 you will get plus 875 you will get is equal to 35 into 70 is 2450. Correct? Did you all get until here? Yeah, correct, Rida. 2450. Correct. Now, next step. 63x is equal to 2450 minus 875. You will not add them, you will subtract them because it is plus 875 and it will become minus 875 on the other side. Now say me the resultant. 63x is equal to 2450 minus 875 will give me 1575. Is this the right answer? 1575. So x is equal to Correct, Sindhu. X is equal to 25. 1575 divided by 63. So if you divide this, you will get the answer as x is equal to 25. So this is the value of x which we are supposed to know. Understood? Clear? Any doubts? Did you all understand or not? Okay, you guys have to practice more. Only then you will be able to solve all of the equations very quickly. Okay. Now, can we go for the next question? Okay. Now, moving on to this question. This is again your equations only. Now, in this, they have given us two equations to be solved. Okay. So, this will be your simultaneous equation. But if you see both the equations, they are in the fraction format. So, let us convert this into a normal equation format. Okay. And then we will solve them simultaneously. So firstly, we are going to consider this to be equation 1 and this will be equation 2. Okay. Now, after that, we have to consider each of the equation. Consider equation 1 and simplify. Okay. So what is equation 1? 2 by 3x plus 3 by 5y is equal to 17. Now, how do we simplify this? We'll have to take the LCM of 3 and 5. Now, if you see the numbers 3 and 5, both are prime numbers.